Go. All right, we're coming up to the Atlantic
Road. 8.5
You can
kilometres.
turn the wipers down a bit.
Is it
Cap.
42 or 43 billion dollars?
$43 billion, connecting a bunch of small islands over an 8.5 kilometre strip. That's the extent of my knowledge.
So it says here the Atlantic Road connects Aberroy with the mainland through islands, islets and reefs by means of 8 bridges. The Atlantic Road stretches over 8,274 metres. They had 12 hurricanes while they were building it.
Wow.
Thank you for that informative information, Matt.
I did say it was an inhospitable part of Norway.
It is very
Right out on the coast, very exposed. I think I heard a commentary that said, who would want to live here? Based on the weather in this part of
Probably why no one does.
This
Yeah.
road is described as the world's most beautiful car journey. Probably on a day when
today, not so much.
Oh no, I forgot to start recording. Just kidding. There are all of these photo spots left and right as we go down. We've already done that. This is our second time. We've come back to do the road again and record it.
And then we're going to turn it into slow TV.
So
We're going to put it on repeat.
just on loop, yeah.
On loop.
Oh, that's close. Now the dramatic bit of this road is the bridge, which you can just see in the distance now. Okay, well soon you'll be able to see in the distance. It wasn't raining quite so hard. There's a cross on top of that little stone thing.
They had 12 hurricanes.
I could have had this. Alright. Does this particular bridge have a name?
The big bridge.
The big bridge. Oh, this is probably its name up here. Storseisun Brow. That was pronounced with perfect Norwegian. There we go, on the roller coaster. Yes, that's
We're going
right.
to pause slowly at the top and then go down.
Yeah. We walked around that loop on that mound just there on the left and got very wet. There's a cafe in there. That was
You're not actually going to
nice
subject anyone
surprise.
to watching this,
Yes.
including us in the future.
Yes, I like your idea of putting this on loop. This will be on WhatsApp in about 10 minutes.
it took 6 years to build.
How many years, Matt?
Well, the planning started in the 70s, but
Yeah.
construction started August 83
Yeah.
and finished in July 1989, so 6 years.
6 years to build. Oh, those wipers are going fast, Kath.
6 years to build.
Do they have to go that fast?
To build the metro.
Yeah, they should be going faster. Slow them down.
Slow it down, but it's raining.
Slow them down more.
No, I can't see. I'm driving.
Now you can just put
I can put them on now, can I? Are you
just,
sure?
no, just a
Now?
little bit.
Now?
Just a little bit. Just once. There you go, that's all. Now we're approaching the end of our journey, kids.
Are we?
Now, we've got three little bridges to
It
go.
doesn't want much. You're driving on the wrong side of the road in the rain and you're not allowed to see.
Okay, look, now I can't see it all. Okay, we're just being silly. How can anyone? No, all right. Stop it. Stop it. This would be fascinating TV. Now, some very traditional houses here on the left. That's the traditional Norwegian red house.
Råbro red.
Yeah, and there's a not quite as traditional yellow house just there on the corner.
Also Råbro colours.
What?
Råbro can be yellow or red.
That must be confusing for
Råbro fishing
colourblind
houses.
people.
Colourblind's green. It's the longest 8.5 kilometres of my life.
And you're not even watching this video at home.
It just seems like it takes
it's
a
going.
really long
Well, it's
time.
going 6 minutes exactly. How many more bridges do we have, Matt?
He hasn't been counting them.
Oh.
There are 8
Oh.
bridges.
I think this is the last one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Our time, sadly, is coming to an end. I think this is it. Look at that. The Atlantic Road.
The rain stopped.
That's
In the
it.
rain. Yeah, and the
Do you want me
rain's
to go
just
do it
stopped.
again without the rain?
Yeah, can we? All right, that's it. Ciao, everyone.
Bye.